नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर अनीता चौधरी, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मटेरिया मेडिका, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, JVWU. Today topic is Aloe Socotrina Medicine Part 2. Ear symptoms: cracking when chewing, sudden explosion and clashing in left ear, tinkling as of some thin shivered metallic globe in head, nose, coldness of tip, bleeding in morning on awakening, full of crust, mouth, taste bitter and sour, tasteless, irritations, lip cracked and dry, throat, thick lumps of tough mucus, varicose condition of veins in pharynx, dry, scrappy feelings, stomach, aversion to meat, longing for juicy things after eating, flatulence, pulsation in rectum and sexual irritation, nausea with headache, pain in pit when making false step, abdomen, pain around navel, worse pressure, fullness in region of liver, pain under right ribs, abdomen feels full, heavy, hot, bloated, pulsating pain around navel, weak feeling as if diarrhea would come on, great accumulation of flatus, pressing downward, causing distress in lower bowels, sensation of plug between symphysis pubis and os coccygeus with urging to stool, colic before and during stool, burning, copious flatus, rectum, constant bearing down in rectum, bleeding, sore and hot, relieved by cold water, feeling of weakness and loss of power of sphincter ani, sense of insecurity in rectum when passing flatus, uncertain whether gas or stool will come, stool passes without effort, almost unnoticed, lumpy, watery stool, jelly-like stool with soreness in rectum after stool, a lot of mucus with pain in rectum after stool, hemorrhoids protrude like grapes, very sore and tender, better cold water application, burning in anus and rectum, constipation with heavy pressure in lower part of abdomen, diarrhea from wear, urinary symptom, incontinence in aged, wearing down sensation, and enlarged prostate, scanty and high colored, female, wearing down in rectum, worse standing and during menses, uterus feels heavy, cannot walk much on that account, labor-like pains in loins, extend down legs, climacteric hemorrhage, menses too early and too profuse, respiratory, winter cough with itching, difficult respiration with stitches from liver to chest, back pain in small of back, worse moving, stitches through sacrum, lumbago alternate with headache and piles, extremities, lameness in all limbs, joint pain in joints, soles pain when walking, modalities, worse early morning, summer, heat in, hot, dry weather, after eating or drinking, better from cold open air. This session powered by digital version 2.0 JVW. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.